that you have to accept a number and check whether that number is positive, negative, or zero. Okay, so write the question.
Draw the flow chart. Whether the number is positive, negative, or zero. Okay, so now check here. Okay, so it is a flow chart to check whether the number is positive, negative, and zero. Start, pass input number. So you have to take a number here. Okay, now you have to check the number that you have taken is equals to zero. Suppose you have to take 5. Okay, so 5 is equals to 0. No, 5 now 5 is greater than 0. Yes, then display it is a positive number. Suppose if you take -1, is -1 is equals to 0? No. -1 is greater than 0? No. So display it is negative. Okay. So it is a flow chart to display whether the number is positive, negative, or 0. Okay, so write it. ବୁଝିହେଲା ଶୁଭଶ୍ରୀ?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, gotte minute. Complete. See there. Draw the flowchart that accept a number and check if the number is prime or not. For checking that number is prime, which one is the prime number?
Yes. Just a minute, I'm not properly. I'm not hear you properly.
The number that is divisible by two numbers, 1 and itself.
Okay.
The number is
Number is divisible by 1 and itself.
okay. Good. So now how you have to represent it? Now check. First, you write the question. Draw the flowchart that accept a number and check if the number is prime or not.
Completed.
Okay, now check. First, let's understand the logic. It is very important. Suppose I want to check whether the 5 is prime number or not. Okay, the first of all, we have to take a value start input n. Suppose in the input we have taken the value as 5. Okay. Then I is equal to 2. Now you have to check here. 2 less than equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2. So 2 is less than 2. No. 2 is equal to 2. Yes. Now it comes to here. 5 modulo 2. When you divide 5 with 2, remainder is 0. No. Remainder is 1. So no. Then I is now becomes I plus 1. Means 2 becomes 2 plus 1, 3. Now again it comes to here. So 3 is less than 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2. So 3 is less than 2. No. So display 5 is a prime number. And okay. Suppose here I have take 8. Start input 8. Okay. I is equals to 2. 2 is less than equals to 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. 8 by 2 is 4. So 2 is less than 4. Okay, 2 is less than 4. 8 by 2 is what? 2 is less than or equals to 4. Yes, 2 is less than 4. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then we have taken 8. So 8 modulo 2 means when you divide 8 with 2, remainder is 0. Yes. When you
Yes,
divide
sir.
8 with 2, remainder is 0. So display the number is not prime. Means your 8 is not prime. Clear? So draw it.
Sir, done.
See there, it is called as the Fibonacci series. So what is Fibonacci series? See there. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Got it? So you have to add the previous one and got the result. Again see that. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. That is called as the Fibonacci series. Just open your pen and paper and check what I trying to trying to tell here. The first, you just write A is equals to 0. Just write A is equals to 0. B is equals to 1. S is equals to 0. Okay. Now display A and B. Okay. Now it is in other part write 0 and 1. Okay. So gote pade tame lekhilo kon A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1, S is equals to 0. Now you write In other part, other side, write A and B. Okay. So display A and B means 0 and 1. So A value is 0, B value is 1. Now condition are checked. AS is equals to 8. AS value is 0. 0 is equals to 8. No? Now AS is equals to A plus B. So what is the value of A? See your copy. What is the value of A?
0,
What is the value of B?
1,
So now 0 plus 1. What is the result?
1.
0 plus 1 is 1.
So S equal to
Now now AS is equals to 1. So just remove where you written AS is equals to 0. So cut it 0 and write 1. Okay. Now A is equals to B. What is the value of B?
1,
1. Now A value is 1. So cut it where you written 0. Cut it 0 and write 1. A is equals to 1. B is equals to S. What is the value of S?
1,
1. So in B, write 1. Already there. In B, already 1 is present. Okay. Now display S. Display S means display 1. So in other part, you are writing what? 0, then 1, then after that write 1. ମାନେ ତମେ ଲେଖିଛ କ'ଣ 0 ଲେଖିଛ 1 ଲେଖିଛ ତ ତାର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 1 ଲେଖ. In other hand, other part. Okay. Show me your paper. Show me your paper. Yes, it is the output. Okay, 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 good. Now, S value is what? S value is 1.
S value
So 1 is equals to 8. No. So S is equals to A plus B. S is equals to A plus B. Okay. So now, what is the value of A?
1,
What is the value of B?
1,
So 1 plus 1, what is the value of S now?
3.
1 plus 1.
Oh, 2,
What is the value? S value is
2,
2. Now cut it where you written. Earlier what you have written in S? S रे कितने लिखी थिलो?
1,
1 लिखते हैं 2 लिखो. Now A is equals to B. What is the value of A? What is the value of B?
1,
Now just cut it. What you written in the A, write 1. Now B is equals to S. What is the value of S?
1,
S value, S.
S value, oh, S value is 2,
2. Now B value changes to 2. B is equals to S. B is changes to 2. So now write B is 2. So display S. It is showing you 2. In other part 0, 1, 1, then 2. Now 2 is equals to 8. No. Now A value is 1. B value is
2,
2. So 1 plus 2, S becomes now 3. S becomes now 3. So right here, S is equals to 3. Now A is equals to B. What is the value of B?
2.
Now A becomes 2. Now just cut it, write A is equals to 2.
A equal to
Okay. Now B is equals to S. A's value is 3.
3.
Okay. So B is 3. Now display 3. Now here coming to here. 3 is equals to 8. No. Now S equals to A plus B. A value is 2. B value is 3. Yes or no? So 2 plus 3 is now 5. So write S is equals to 5. Okay. Now A is equals to B. So B value is what? 3. Now A becomes 3. Now B is equals to S. S value is 5. Now B is 5. So display S. So display 5. Okay. Now it comes to here. 5 is equals to 8. No. So S is equals to A plus B. A value is 3. B value is 5. Yes or no?
B value is 5. Yes, sir.
B is 5. So 3 plus 5 is now S is 8.
8.
Now A is equals to B. In B, 5 is stored. Now in A is 5. So caught here, A is equals to 5, right? Now B is equals to S. In S, 8 is present. So now write B is equals to 8. Okay. Now 8 is equals to 8. S is now 8. Now end. Okay. So draw it.
Sir, done. Completed.
So here draw a flowchart that print the following series: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Okay, so we have to go for the following series. So write question. Start I is equals to 2, n is equals to 0. So 0 is equals to 32. No. Now n is equals to 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 means what is the value? What is the result? It is 1. If you give a 0 power to anything, okay, 2 to the power 0 is 1. Do you know what is the power? 2 square, 3 square? You have learned what is the 3 square, 3 cube. You know it. 3 cube means 3 to the power 3. Yes or no? Similar way, when you make a power to any it is a base, it is a power. 2 to the power 0 means 1. It display you 1. Now I is equals to I plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. So n is equals to 32. 1 is equals to 32. No. So n is equals to 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. So it is displayed 2. I is now increment to 1 plus 1, 2. So 1 plus 1, 2. Now n value is 2. 2 is equals to 32. No. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. Okay. Then I value is increment to 3. Now 8 is equals to 32. No. So 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 is 16. Clear? বুঝি পারছো? হ্যাঁ?
Yes, sir.
এটা ড্র করো।
Yes, sir. Sir, complete.
Okay. Okay, so the flowchart exercise is over. In next class, I will start with the pseudocode. Okay, काली जब आपको मैं कहीं को टाइम ना हो, तुमको कॉल करी कहीं है ना? Okay, चलो, bye bye.
Bye, sir.